Hello everyone. This is my BMW X3 F25 with the N55 motor. It's a 2017. Before I did a video on AFE intake, the drop-in air filter I did in this car. It's a really good intake. The IAT temperatures are low, and it's like I felt a little difference in I would say the throttle response. It got better with this one. Everything was good. Everything is good. Only thing, I wanted to see if there is any alternative options to get a little more sound, because this one is still covered in the box like OEM filter, and you don't hear any sound, but it gets the air from the outside, goes here and goes to the car, and it's colder. It doesn't get any hot air from the engine. So I wanted to try the cone air intake, the cold one, and I wanted to see how that one would perform. So we have option of BMS, but I didn't want it to pay that much because I wasn't sure if I'm going to stick to that or I'm going to be switching back to the AFE. So I was looking for some deals, and I found a really good deal going on AFE 21350507. It's a dry air filter. It's not the oily one. I didn't want it to go with the oily one because I've heard the MAP sensors get fries with the if the oil goes on it. So yeah, I got the dry one. This is the ring for it, but yeah, the clamp. It's a 3.5-inch inner diameter, and also with this I picked up this piping for the intake. This is 3.25 inner diameter. 3.25 because this is 3.5. The intake is also 3.5. So the 3.25 fits like perfect in this, and also over there. I'm going to install it now, and then you guys can see. Okay, so this is installed. I'm going to remove this in the intake. I'm going to keep it, but I'm going to go for a drive, and then you guys can see the difference. So inside cabin, I didn't felt much different. Like this one was a little bit more sound, not like much sound, little bit more difference. But yeah, from outside, it's louder than the drop-in or the OEM, but not as much as loud as you get the sound from the 3 Series or like the 335s or 235s or the other sedans. I'm not sure about the F10. So yeah, this is what it is. If you guys want more sound, That's it. Go for this one or go for the BMS one, which is more pricey. It's exactly the same thing. It's not touching the hood or anything. It fits perfectly fine. If you don't want the sound, just the performance, then yeah, this one is the best one you can pick. And if you have any questions, you can drop it in comments. Thanks for watching.